everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Today we are going to make homemade party poppers. So let's get started. Here we are going to make small pieces of the craft paper and put it on the side of the transparent bag and cover it using this tissue paper using double-sided tape, and look, it's ready. We are going to use this badminton cork and make a beautiful craft out of it. Here we are going to cut small pieces and paste it on the top of another cork like this using hot glue gun. Now we are going to put a bulb on the bottom side, switch on the bulb, and look, your beautiful hanging lamp is ready. Here we are going to take a white color of paper and make multiple folds. After this, we are going to write numbers. As you fold, write numbers on the top of it and 24, and it's done. Here we are going to take this pink color of craft paper, make multiple fold, again fold it like this. Now we are going to again make multiple folds, open it gently and make a shape like this. Keep it aside. Now we are going to make more such colorful shapes and combine all of them together, make a ball like this, and look, it's ready. Let's make homemade masquerade. Here we're going to cut the leaf and we're going to draw the eyes and cut it like this. We're going to give it shape like this. We're making a fox face here, color it, and look, it is ready. We're going to cut 6 strips of red craft paper and paste all of them together. Now we're going to paste it from the sides as well using double-sided tape. Make 2 such shapes and combine them together one after another like we're doing here, and put the hanging and frill, and it's done. Today we are going to make a beautiful bow shape using ribbons. First we are going to tie a ribbon at the center, tie a knot and cut it from the sides as well, and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.